Hi, this is Brian Flowers from Life Raft and Survival Equipment. And lately we've been talking about AIS emergency transponders. Installed properly in a life jacket, this AIS unit will mechanically activate, signaling anybody in the area that there's a person in the water as long as they have an AIS receiver. One thing is very important to know is how to operate the unit should it not activate. Although designed to activate when the life jacket inflates, again, it's mechanical, but expect the antenna to pop up, and if you don't see a strobe, then there'll be a little red indicator that you can press to make sure it's activating. The life jacket, again, once it inflates, this slider will come across and an antenna will pop up. That will start strobing. If it's not, there's a little red button here, the person in the water. You want to press that. Depress that, hold it down and let it go, and then it should start strobing. And now any vessel in the area with AIS will see a symbol on their man overboard charts, multifunctional displays. Important is to know how to rearm the unit. You want to take your antenna and the key that comes with it, and you simply put the key in, furl the antenna, and put the slider back across. When you put the slider back across and let go of the antenna, it stays furled inside the unit. The unit will flash, and you do need to depress the test button to turn it off.